So what an absolute value does is if you have like this, -6, okay, it turns it, whatever is on the inside, positive. So it would be +6. So the same thing, if I had -9, it makes it become what? +9, okay? And so that's what an absolute value does. So for every absolute value, and these in particular, you're gonna have two answers, okay? So, if we look at number 1, okay, first thing, and it's always going to be like this today, I feel like I did, yeah, okay, so we want nothing outside the bars, so it should just be bars and then equals, okay, and this is. So we know we should have two answers. So see how this says 63? Okay, you're going to put comma, -63. Okay, you're going to have two answers. What does 9x mean? What does that mean? Plus, minus, multiplication, division?
Multiply.
It means multiply. Okay, so we need to do what?
Divide.
We need to divide, okay? Multiplication and division go together, and addition and subtraction go together. Okay, those are the two groups. So we need to divide by 9. Okay? You also need to divide that -63 by 9. Okay? So, we got x equals, what is 63 divided by 9? 7. Okay, what is -63 divided by 9? -7. Okay, on all of these, you should have two answers. Here's what I don't want you to get in the habit of. They are not always, Mr. Scott, that's 1. Put it up. Okay, they are not always going to be like +7, -7. Okay, on some of them they will be, some of them they won't be. Okay, so don't just go and solve one and not the other one. Okay, so this one I got 4, so we're going to put a comma, what? -4. Okay, what is this P over 9? What does that mean? What's the bar mean? It means division, so we need to multiply by 9. So we're going to say times 9 times 9. Oops. Okay, so you're going to get P equals, what is 4 times 9?
36.
36. -4 times 9. -36. Okay, 5. We're going to say comma what? -3. Okay, what is P over 6? What's that mean? It means divide, so we need to do what? Multiply. So we're going to say times 6 times 6. What is 3 times 6? 18. -3 times 6. Okay, now, again, it looks like they're all one's positive, one negatives, right? That's not always the case. When we're doing one step, yes. When you're doing two step, it's not going to be. Okay, they're going to be different. Okay, we're going to say comma, -4. I got r plus 6. So what do we need to do? It's -6. So we're going to say -6 on all these. What is 4 minus 6?
2.
Use your calculator.
-2.
-2. -4 minus 6.
2.
Use your calculator.
-10.
-10. Are those the same?
No.
No. Okay. So you need to make sure, and if you were, and I'm not one of those teachers that say, but let's look here. If we would plug in -2, what is -2 plus 6? -2 plus 6.
8.
4, right? So I would have in here, I would have 4 equals 4. Is that true? Yeah. Okay, what is -10 plus 6? Because that's our other answer. -10 plus 6. -4. But we know that the absolute value You take whatever's negative on the inside and it does what? It turns it positive, right? So negative 4 really becomes 4 also, okay? And so that's how these work. That's why you get 2 answers for each, okay? Number 9, what do we do first?
Minus 5.
We gotta do something before that.
Comma negative 7.
Yeah, we're gonna say comma negative 7, okay? But yes, you're gonna say minus 5 on all these. Okay, what is 7 minus 5? 2. Negative 7 minus 5.
14. Negative 14.
Negative 14, somebody agree?
Wait. Yeah.
It's not.
Negative 7 minus 5.
Negative 7 minus 5.
Oh, that's negative 12, right?
Huh?
Negative 12.
Negative 12. Okay, because we're dealing with so many negatives, use the calculator. It takes you 2 seconds, okay? Otherwise you're gonna get the whole thing wrong. Okay, use the calculator. Can I scroll? Okay, 11. What's the first thing we need to do? Comma negative 7. Okay, now what do I do? Minus 9. How many answers should I have for all these? 2. Okay, what is 7 minus 9?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Negative 7 minus 9. Negative 16. Okay, 13. What do we do first? Common and negative 28. Okay, now 1 through 12 is 1 step. Now we're moving on to 2 steps. Okay? So, what gets moved first?
8.
The 8. Okay, see how the 8 has no letter? You always move the no letter first. Okay, so we're going to say minus 8 on both sides. Okay, so on this side I still have negative 2n equals 28 minus 8. What is 28 minus 8?
Oh, 20 minus 8 is 20.
20. Negative 28 minus 8.
Negative 36.
Negative 36. Okay, now what do? I'm trying to get n by itself.
Divide. Add 2.
We're going to divide. So see how the 2 is right next to the n? And that means times. So we need to divide everything by negative 2. $20 divided by negative 2.
10.
Try again.
Oh, you're on negative.
Negative 10. Negative 36 divided by negative 2.
18.
Positive 18. Okay, 15. Our first step is to do what? What's our first step? Comma, negative 29. Okay, then what? What's the piece that has no letter? The 9. So we're going to move the 9 first. How do I move a plus 9? Yep, we're going to say minus 9, minus 9, minus 9. So I got 5x equals, what is 29 minus 9? 20. Negative 29 minus 9. Bless you.
Negative 36.
Negative 36. Somebody agree with that?
No, 38. Negative 38.
Bro.
Is that right? Who? You hear them? Okay, now what? Where?
Right there.
5x. Okay, now what? Divide by 5. $20 divided by 5. Huh? It's just 4. Negative 38 divided by 5. What does it say? Negative 38 over 5. So that means when you just leave it like that. Okay? Let me make sure I got my math right. So negative 29, 33, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 38 divided by 5. Okay. Okay, 17. We're going to say comma, negative 7. What's going to get moved first? The 1. Okay, we're going to say minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. What is 7 minus 1? 6. Negative 7 minus 1.
8. Negative 8.
Negative 8. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Gibson, that's 1. Put it up. For math?